Watch this video very closely.
Do you snore or you know someone who snore? Check this out. Look right here, page 125, the Snore Relief Jelly. Okay, let's go to that page 125. Here it goes, the Snore Relief Jelly. Look at this. It has all of the ingredients listed right here that you need, and then the instructions on how to make it, and then also the dosage you should take. This Forgotten Home Apothecary book has 250 other remedies included in this book, so I did link it down below so you can grab yours to help with your snoring.